You trying to scare everyone off again, Radish? Let's see if it's working. Yeah, don't think it's working. Radish. Since when are you so vocal, Missy? Huh? Who's this coming in? Can't tell. Are you carrot or beetle? I can't tell. Oh, it's beetle. Hi, beetle. A little scurrier. You want some more? Come here, buddy. Put some in your bowl for it. Yeah. Okay. That you, Radish? Did you finally come out of the tree? Huh? Are you done being a silly girl? Hmm? The cinnamon just strolls on by. You coming to get some seeds, Radish? Was all that hollering worth it if you're missing out? Huh? You poor baby. Hi, Tanky. Want some? There you go, monkey. Oh, careful. I'm dropping them all. That was good, Tank. Yeah. It's okay, baby. Guys just can't stop fighting. Do I have to put some more in the bowls? A beetle. A little monster. Want some more? There you go. Radish. What has gotten into you lately, huh? Want some beans? Ugh, God, why do I keep calling peanuts? You guys need to stop fighting. Cinnamon. Come here, baby girl. Oh, man, that's my baby girl. Oh, I missed you. My little cinnamon. It's okay, bro. That was good. Oh, you like those, eh? You get them all? Beetle, are you sticking your fat little butt in my... I know, Tank. I know. That's what I said. He just, went and helped himself. Stuck his fat little butt right in the food bowl. How dare he, right, Mama? Oh, and his little babies is over there. Want some seed, buddy? Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to get it so close to you. Hey, be nice to the baby. Okay, lots of seeds for everybody. Stop fighting. See, look, it's raining sunflower seeds. Everyone stop. You want somebody? Okay, Beetle, you crazy little monkey. Huh? You are crazy, scurry. What do you got on your head? Come here. You had a big piece of something on you. Hi, Cinnamon. Here. We'll make sure everybody's got some seeds so they'll stop fighting, eh? Throw some along here. Yeah, you guys like to do your grazing. Keeps you busy. Little monsters. Huh? There you go. Throw some over there too. Oh, shoot. I didn't want to get him in the water bowl, but oh well. Here, Tanky. You guys gonna behave now? Huh?